This is a teardown of an old Cisco 1000BASE-T GBIC module, and pretty outdated. Predates SFP. I don't know if it's proprietary or not to Cisco, but I'll crack it open and take a look. It's kind of fun looking with its semi-translucent plastic. Bulky compared to today's SFP connectors though, or adapters. I think those two screws should be enough. A lot of shielding. Little springs that are wipers that connect to the frame for grounding purposes. Got a screw here holding on to this shielding. A thermal pad. I don't think I'm in frame. Alright, I gotta take this off out of frame. It's slippery. Alright, we got a Marvell chip on there. 88E1111-BAB. Quite a bit going on the bottom there. Some crystals, some other parts, an Atmel chip. Guessing that might be like for firmware purposes. But otherwise a lot of passives. But yeah, I don't know. Thought that was interesting. I've never tore one of those apart before. But thanks for watching.